More than 70% Africa mountains are found in Ethiopia, probably due to the high altitude in the country. Ethiopians are famous for being great long distance runners. Lake Tana is the source of Blue Nile River, which meets the White Nile River. Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about Ethiopia tourism. Ethiopia tourism, which has a very long history, and today we are going to see one by one because many of the tourist people might be thinking that whether Ethiopia can be the right place where we can have a travel, and some of them they have deeper thoughts that this place may not be the right place where lots of issues are happening. But here I want to clarify certain kind of information. Hello, hello. Yes, because Ethiopia is the right place where all people can have travel, and probably you don't need to spend much more money to visit this place, but the level of satisfaction which can be very high because uniqueness of this place which cannot be expressed. And we all know that this is the only country in which people, lots of tourists, especially from Europe, are continuously visiting Ethiopia. There can be lots of destinations in Ethiopia which are identified as a major destination because UNESCO has given clear information about how the destinations are clarified. There could be few destinations which are explained here, and above all, we have many more destinations which are available in Ethiopia. So let's talk about the Ethiopians. The first place is, as I told you, here you can see the different kind of dances which are uniquely done, and they are wearing some cultural dresses also, and local market in which lots of handicraft products are being sold, and especially they can give it in a very economical prices, and houses are uniquely constructed. And especially when you're talking about the North Ethiopia, the people's their uniqueness in preparing food and serving coffee, which are totally different. And talking about especially dealing with the foreigners, which are highly appreciated because people are serving injera with a different kind of food. It can be served along with the various vegetables and non-vegetarian. And as I told you earlier, this food which is being consumed by all the people, and people they can show unlimited affection towards all the people which are different, and especially when you are walking on the road and visiting various places, you can easily identify different kind of cultures. And talking about the Lalibala, which is very uniquely designed, and people can have lots of attractions, tourism significance. And Blue Nile Falls. Here, this is a place where you can take lots of photographs, lots of sceneries are identified, natural sceneries, and great natural assets can be enjoyed a lot. And Simeon Mountains, 14,000, above 14,000 feet, the mountain is located. And especially talking about Mescal festival, all people are joining together with the cultural dresses, and they can do the severe prayer on the day. And people are serving different kind of food. And whenever they are going to churches, the number of prayers or the level of prayers which will be longer. And the Gondar Castle, which is constructed by Fasila Das, the oldest king. Gondar was previous capital of Ethiopia, since it has lots of transportation, and it has all the facilities, and it's a unique city also. And talking about Mata Church, the church is constructed in a single rock, where you can identify that different kind of historical evidence are found. And talking about St. Mary's Church, it's located at Aksum. Aksum is one of the region, and this church is based on Orthodox-based churches. So here they have different denominations: Roman Catholic, Orthodox, as well as Protestant. Lots of the denominations are found here. Each and every churches are very different because of the level of constructions and the method in which the archaeological ideas were applied is completely unique. And especially when you're talking about musical culture, Ethiopia, they have a different kind of unique instruments which are played by all kinds of people. When you are going to concert drive, here you can see lots of people who are selling their own handicraft products, and they can sell their musical instruments which are normally prepared by using our natural assets. And people can have interaction with the strangers, though they may be afraid of communicating, but they'll show much affection to the people who are visiting to the places. And here you can see the Gondar Castle, which is very high and very huge building located in the nearing marketplace in Gondar. From the places of Gondar University, the palace is closely located. It's one of the oldest palace, and it's a real symbol of Amhara region. So after visiting, you can go to Bardar, which is located very close to Gondar. In Bardar, there can be lots of places are there. Here, Omo River, which is in which we can see lots of tribe people who are living there, and their style of making their food and wearing dresses are totally different. And everywhere you can see, especially the tribe people, the way they are wearing the dresses and earring, and always emphasize on wearing cultural dresses. This was found in every places. I could see that because I visited various places. People are giving much more emphasis on wearing culture dresses, though they belong to different regions, and each people's dances are totally different, and foods are totally different, and the languages are totally different, because the languages, more than 84 languages are spoken, but the official language is called as Amharic, which was originated in Arab. Here you can see Yamata Church. People should go in a very deeper way, but in some of the areas where transport may not be up to the mark, but you can find lots of travel guides who are assisting you. And visiting Aksum, you can see the different kind of drinks which are manufactured in Aksum, because Aksum is a place where lots of natural assets are identified. Especially Aksum wine is one of the topmost wine in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is known for coffee as well as wine, because Ethiopian climate, which is highly suitable for making different kind of wines. And you can see lots of beer making industry which are located in Gondar, because Gondar is the place where you can see the huge beer making industry, and the people can have a different kind of drinks along with the food. So talking about food, especially when you're visiting rock churches located in Lalibala, here the churches are built in a single rock, and you can see the uniqueness in the pictures, especially Orthodox churches. The people, they do serve different kind of food at the church, especially even in Western countries, still they do following the same method. But in Ethiopia, people are feeding the food to the people who are visiting to the churches. And here we don't find the real meaning of hatred, because here is the places where all people are equally welcomed and treated. And especially when the people are visiting churches, they could be welcomed properly by various types of food and different types of hospitality methods. Even I too heard different experiences when I was visiting various churches. People could try to communicate with us, and trying to serve lots of food to the people who are visiting in Ethiopia. And I could find a few more interesting facts which was totally astonishing. People still they travel through through donkeys, and they are living a completely organic life, and they still strongly believe in herbal treatment. And the people love visiting. Even domestic tourism also is highly focused, because I would see lots of people who are doing domestic tourism also. And every restaurant, especially culture-based restaurant, where you can see cultural dances as well as the cultural based food which are served. And as you know that you don't need to pay for any extra amount for this kind of cultural programs. Visiting local market could give lots of experiences to the people, especially those who are coming from outside. The way they are making different kind of coffee and serving the coffee by using exclusive instruments. And normally the people those who are visiting to this country might buy the handcraft items. And talking about the food, the Peking injera, which is called as a bread, and it's very nutrient food served along with various kind of fish, gravy, and vegetables. And especially teff is one of the major food which is used for preparing injera.